Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and this one is not off-road. We're not going on a trail. We are here in Alex's shop. You probably guys know him, Crazy Nissan Alex. Nice guy. He let me use his lift to show you guys what I did with my Cayenne. I had request to show build and process as far as like lift, tires, spacers, lighting, roof rack. This is 2005 Porsche Cayenne S 4.5 V8. I bought it back in 2019, I believe. And here are a few images how it looked before. As far as visually from the front, I have fog lights replacing the OEM ones. I have a center bar over here, and then I also have ditch lights over here. The brackets are mounted right on the hood over here, also Eurowise, and they are controlled by the trigger light switch over here. Turn it on. It's on here and on here. I do have a remote inside the car. I use HRBerformance roof rack. They have them available on their website. Pretty solid, all aluminum, 1/4 inch I believe. Yep, 1/4 inch. Comes in multiple pieces. Connects right here. I have currently sitting slightly higher than average, I think. I had it sitting lower, but after 80 miles an hour it started wobbling, hitting the roof, so I lift it. I think once you start putting stuff on top, you can lower it and it's not gonna have any vibrations. Eurowise front bumper, 13,000 pound winch. Remove the grill from here. The reason why I did that is because so I can reach to a free spool. A lot of Cayenne owners also worry about overheating if we install a winch and a light here. I've been driving for over 4 years now with the winch, with the light bar. I took it to Moab. I took it here in Washington to a place called Funny Rocks. It gets over 100 degrees outside, and I never had any issues with overheating. All the under tray or panels from the bottom to cover transfer case, fuel tank, main engine bay, everything is from Eurowise. This is a back transfer case, fuel tank 1, fuel tank 2. Everything is made 1/4 inch steel. All this metal shields here underneath, you can see all same thing. It's bent. Sorry, it's all dirty. Try not to clean too much. Again, bent here. Too much off-roading, rock crawling. Transfer case over here in the middle for transmission, engine. Everything is covered. Everything is protected, safe. So far, 1/4 inch steel Eurowise. I give you thumbs up for this product. I never had a problems with this metal plates. They're pretty easy and simple to attach, and the fact that they have this metal 1/2 inch shape around it, the bolts in, it doesn't rub it off, so it stays well. These ones are the only ones that sometimes gets hit, and I'm having problems taking it off when I need to change my oil. Same thing with Rocksliders. They are also from the Eurowise company. As far as suspension, I have 2.5 spacers over here, so it's 2.5 inch lift. The suspension springs, everything is stock. Did not upgrade that. I don't have any subframe drop. Remove the sway bars. I need to remove the main one. The connections are gone. That way I do have a longer travel. I also have HR spacers on the back and exactly the same one on the front. That makes both of the wheels stick out a little bit and also prevents the rubbing on the inside over here. Tires, I had multiple. The biggest one right now is 285 by 70, basically 33 inch. In order to fit them, we had to cut out some panels right here behind. It still rubs a little bit, if you can see. It's pretty clean, rubs here, but that doesn't bother me, it's just the plastic. It's a side exhaust now. I'm sure you all heard the sound of it. Everybody loves the sound. It's a V8 natural aspirated